so let's start. I have here 2 cups of frozen bacon. I cut it into small pieces. We're also gonna need 1 cup of peas. These are sweet peas, frozen. 1 cup of frozen corn. And we're also gonna need some green and red bell peppers, finely chopped, as well as white onions, finely chopped, and to your liking. Now in my rice pan or pot, I'm adding the bacon. As you notice, I did not add any oil just because the bacon, as it's cooking, is gonna release oil for us to cook the rice. So we're gonna cook this for about 5 to 8 minutes on medium-high heat until the bacon is nice and crispy. And look at the oil that it released. We're gonna add the vegetables, the bell peppers, and the white onions. We're gonna give it a mix. And now we're gonna add the corn. It smells so good, guys. We're gonna add the corn, we're gonna add the peas, and we're gonna mix again. And now we're ready to season it with my Himalayan salt. I'm adding about a teaspoon of salt just because the bacon is already salty. So we do not want to overpower with salt. A pinch of ground black pepper and 2 teaspoons of garlic powder just to add more flavor to our rice. Let's mix very well. And now we're ready to add our water, and I am going to add 3 cups of water. Now we're going to let this cook and we're going to let this boil. Once it starts to boil, we are ready. So you can see the water started to boil. We're ready to add 2.5 cups of jasmine rice. We're gonna mix well and let this cook for about 5 to 8 minutes or until the rice starts to absorb the water. I'm gonna show you right now. Okay, as you can see, hardly any water left. We're ready to lower the heat to low. Now we're gonna cover it up and cook for 30 minutes on low heat. After 30 minutes, our delicious rice with bacon, with corn and peas, we're done. And it's ready to serve. You can eat this with stewed Dominican chicken. You can eat this with fish, seafood. It's so good. It's a different type of rice that you can enjoy with the family. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and I'll see you on my next video.